This is LRC8. It is the Aniline Mousse Cleaner. It's basically a foam. It's foam cleaning. Anilines are a very different leather to pigmented leather. They are a lot more delicate and require a more delicate process. You can get a mousse or you can get a spray cleaner. Both are just as effective, but if your aniline is a little bit more got a lot more patina to it and it's a little bit more delicate, then the mousse foam cleaner is absolutely perfect. So this leather foam cleaner is going to work exceptionally well on your aniline item, LRC8. Give it a shake up and literally pump out into a foam. As you can clearly see, it is absolutely brilliant. It is a fantastic foam cleaner. You can put that on with the sponge onto the aniline leather item and then wipe away any dirt with a terry towel or a bamboo cloth. Bamboo cloths are obviously antimicrobial and they're fantastic and they're a lot more environmentally friendly than what these particular ones are, because obviously bamboo is an invasive plant and grows at 3 foot a day. You can, with excessive dirt, agitate slightly with a brush if you needed to. With the Aniline Mousse, it is fantastic. Look at the foam creation that it creates, and it's got a lovely smell as well. That is LRC8 Aniline Mousse Cleaner. You can get it from the website LRC8leatherrepaircompany.com.